This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and launching the camera app so you can take great shots immediately. Wipe the lens and make sure battery is above 20% to avoid performance limits. Once done, unlock and open camera or use the quick access shortcut. Position the phone and pick photo mode. Make sure to choose an aspect ratio like 4:3 for full sensor or 16:9 for widescreen. This first setup ensures you're capturing the best native quality before adjusting exposure or composition. You'll now fine-tune settings to control how the Pixel 7 Pro captures the scene. Tap your subject to lock focus and drag the exposure slider to brighten or darken. This changes ISO and shutter trade-offs automatically. Once done, enable HDR or night sight for high dynamic range or low light and toggle motion for action shots. Make sure to switch lenses, 0.7x for wide, 1x for detail, 5x for close-ups, to frame differently. Enable RAW and more. You'll finish by capturing, reviewing, and exporting your best images. Press the shutter firmly or use volume button for steadier capture. When using night sight, set the phone on a tripod or steady surface to avoid blur. Once captured, open Gallery to review, apply quick edits with Magic Editor or Basic Crop and Color tools, and export at full resolution. If images are consistently blurred or autofocus falters, clean the lens, toggle autofocus, and restart the camera app to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.